Hey everyone! How are you doing? Today we're going to fold a cute little acorn. You'll need a square brown paper. 15 by 15 centimeters is perfect. And if you have a marker and some tape, that'll be great too. Start with the brown side facing up. Let's fold corner to corner into a triangle. Then open it back up. Now fold it in half again the same way, but in the other direction. And open it up once more. Now look, the corner tips touch the middle. Let's fold them in, and fold again, just like that, right up to here. One more fold. Now we have a triangle. Flip the paper over. Now fold both sides in, parallel to the center line like this. And fold each edge again toward the center. See how the edge is touching the center line? Great! Fold once more, just the same way. The paper's getting a little thick here, so take your time when you press down. If you don't like how these wings pop open, we can add a little tape to hold them in place. Glue works too, just a tiny bit. Now fold down the top point just a little. Flip it over. And look! We've made a cute little acorn. I'm going to add some tiny dots on top, just like a real acorn cap. And maybe some eyes and a smile too. So cute! That's it for today. Thanks for folding with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with B. See you next time!